And hold on. Wait for it. Alexa, turn on Hot Ass Mama Shower.
Okay.
I love that. Everything was custom designed. Everything is so beautiful in this home. So light, so fresh. There's nothing else like it on the market. Nothing.
Give me some of that sugar, that'll make it sweet. Give me some of that good old-fashioned stuff, knock me on my feet. You know I love it when you slide with me. Now we really got the beat. One good groove and your body, that's all I need, all I need.
House, the boat, it's all for sale.
I really love the way you vibe with me soon as you walked in the door. You know you really Venus flytrap me, had me begging you for more.
5,600 square feet of pure modern luxury. Located in Palmetto Point, deep water access, 4 bedrooms plus a den, plus a huge playroom, flex room, workout room upstairs. You're gonna love it. This house has been completely remodeled, top to bottom. Every single surface in this house was completely redone.
Some of that sugar, hey, better make it sweet. Give me some of that good old-fashioned stuff, knock me on my feet. You know I love it when you slide with me. Now we really got the beat. One good groove and your body, that's all I need, all I need, all I need.
I just want to point out this wine room. Want to have a glass of wine? Let's do it. The view is so peaceful, and you can see boats going by, manatee, tarpon, so many things. Okay, can we talk about this island? 6.5 by 14 feet. Have you seen an island this big before? Well, you could play ping pong on this thing. It's amazing. What a great, entertaining kitchen. Just so spacious, and lots of parties happen here, and it's so much fun. I do have a little bit of bad news though. I'm gonna point it out right now. I'm really sorry, but the fridge isn't here yet. When they remodeled this house, they put a fridge on order. It's a 60-inch Sub-Zero fridge. They are next in line for it. It should be here any day. So you will get a brand new Sub-Zero fridge that has never been used. Just thought I'd point that out. Okay, I have got something so cool to show you guys. Let's go check out the master bedroom and bathroom. I love this master bedroom. It is so bright. The hot tub is right outside the door, so you can pop in there first thing in the morning or right before you go to bed and just be relaxed and feel great. Come back here and let me show you this. Can't reach it? That's okay. I got you. Oh God, I can't get it back up. Look at this. I love this. I need these closets in my life. This master suite is amazing. This bathroom, it used to have a drive-through shower. You know what I'm talking about? Those drive-through showers where you go in one side, you get washed, and you come out the other side. Well, that all went away. The seller is amazing with her vision for what something could be. So she went with just an open space and the biggest shower glass you've ever seen. And hold on. Wait for it. Alexa, turn on Hot Ass Mama Shower.
Okay.
Okay, ready? It is a hidden butler's kitchen. This butler's kitchen is completely decked out. It has a fridge, it has a dishwasher, a sink, a built-in coffee maker, all the cabinetry, a microwave, and a pantry. It's amazing. Custom cabinets are beautiful, place to hang your laundry to dry, and the best part is the drop zone for the kids' backpacks and shoes and just all the things that you need for a family. When they come in from the garage, it's right here. This is gorgeous. Look at these. you walk up the stairs, you see this huge loft area. This is really good. I love this room. It is so bright. It's an upstairs living area, kids area. They use it partly for a gym. You do anything you want. They built in a little fridge and countertop here. So if you want this to be a guest area, you can put a coffee maker, a little microwave, and your guests can come out. You don't even have to go downstairs. You don't have to see them. You're right here on the water. It's the Florida lifestyle dream, right here. Waterfront living, boats, 2 minutes from the open water. Let's go take a look outside. Every inch of this was redone. They completely redid the pool, new pavers all the way down to the dock. There's deep water here, so you can fit up to 100-foot boats in these canals. So this is perfect for you. If you're a boater and you want luxury, perfect. You've got a little boat, she's bringing her big boat. You want those? We'll make that happen. Throw me a line, friend.
I really love the way your clothes fit you. Can't find nothing wrong with you. Ain't nobody keeping
House, the boat, it's all for sale.
Give me some of that sugar. That'll make it sweet.
If you're looking to move to Florida and you want luxury and you want it furnished, I can make that happen. You don't want to wait for furniture? We'll negotiate that. If you want a boat or two, I can make that happen. So call me today and let's put this deal together. You'll love it here.
Some of that sugar. That'll make it sweet. Give me some of that good old-fashioned stuff. Knock me on my feet. Yeah, I love the way you slide.
Remember when I turned the shower on and I said, turn on Hot Ass Mama shower? Let me introduce you to the Hot Ass Mama. Stephanie, you have done an amazing job on this home. It is fabulous. Cheers to you. Cheers. Should we drink it?
Yeah.
So there we are.
Sweet.